Between the new Beatles, shoot a film, regal. In the air, eagle. All y'all if it's legal. Go back this Tesla. Go back that.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you for watching. Today's video is me attempting to braid myself. Hairstyle I'm going for is jumbo goddess box braids. I'm a beginner and I just wanted to challenge myself. Anyways, I started with freshly blow dried hair, then sectioned my hair. There's different ways to do this, but I felt like for me, using rubber bands was way easier. I had about 27 or 28 sections in total, and I used a Shine and Jam conditioning gel to make the parts more neat. I love this one especially because it doesn't leave any sort of cast. Some use the crochet tool, others do knotless. Unfortunately, I don't know how to do any of those, so I just went with what seemed faster and easier for me. I went ahead and I think I started around 7 p.m. and if I tell you what time I finished, girl, it was 4 in the freaking morning. And the braiding hair I'm using is free tressed. It was already pre-stretched and there's 10 in one pack, and guess what? I ended up using the whole thing. Now this is where I started panicking because I thought I could braid but kept struggling because in my head I knew how to, but my hands were just not following for some reason.
Bruh.
One hour later.
Anyways, after a whole hour of struggle, I ended up figuring it out. Went ahead and braided some more just to, I guess, practice. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I think it looks decent. Don't judge me because some of the sections are not even. Some braids bigger than others. And by the way, for each braid, I would leave out 4 pieces of human hair. So I would start by saturating my hair with the Shine and Jam whenever it would start puffing out. Then grab the braiding hair and okay, this is gonna be very hard to explain, but please bear with me. I wrap the braiding hair around the section just so the rubber band will not show. Then use my natural hair as the third section. So braid like you normally would. Then when I feel like the braid is secure enough, I will take a piece of the first and second section to add to my natural hair just so it can be even, then braid. Then once the braid is longer, I am going to start adding the human hair leave out. The one I'm using is from Eayon Hair. They sent me 3 bundles, double drawn water wave, and these are 20 inches. It's very soft. I'm going to use the straight end of it to add onto the braid. Braid it a little bit, then once it's secure enough, I'm going to separate that from the braid, then keep braiding. Repeat the same process with the other 3 human hair I'm going to add to the braid. So each braid has 4 pieces of curly hair, if that makes sense. So after adding all 4 curly human hair, I'm going to secure the end of the braid with a rubber band, and those little pieces that you're seeing poking, I'm going to use the scissors to clean it up.
Many hours later.
I've done a decent amount of braids. About 90% done, which I was very happy about because, child, my arms were slowly giving up on me and I was sleepy as hell, but was determined to finish up. I'm gonna let y'all watch because I'm literally doing the same thing and I feel like I can show better than I can explain anyways. I went straight to sleep after I was done, so this is the next day. I boiled some water so it could be not as stiff, I guess, and I ended up using the whole pack of braiding hair and had a little bit of curly hair left. I will show you guys. Only thing I wish I had done was to wash the hair before braiding because my scalp is so sensitive and it was beyond itchy at some point. And if you pay attention, you can see the water turning yellow, meaning like the hair still has product. So I had to shampoo and condition while it was still like brand new, like barely 2 days old. And the curly hair is very nice, but it tangles up very easily. And guess what? I went out and made the mistake of falling asleep without wrapping it up at night and woke up with matted hair the next day. Very annoying. Here the hair is about 3 weeks old and you can definitely see some matted part, but overall I think it still looked good to me. So for maintenance, I cannot say that enough, nourish your scalp. My current favorite hair oil is from Do Grow. A little bit goes a long way, but what I love the most about this is that it's lightweight. So I would apply it every 3 to 4 days. And here I was getting ready for bed, so before taking my shower, I would wrap the hair up. I learned the hard way, so definitely securing that hair before bed, then take my shower and go to sleep. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.